Temporary visas are just the beginning. Let's talk about how you can settle permanently in the Czech Republic. Permanent residency, or PR, is the crucial foundation for making the Czech Republic your long-term home. It typically requires 5 years of legal stay. To qualify for PR, you need to live in the Czech Republic legally for at least 5 continuous years. Applicants must show valid proof of income and secure accommodation. Gather official documents like lease agreements and payslips. You'll need to pass a Czech language exam at the A2 level. Language integration is an important step for PR. Maintaining a clean criminal record is essential when applying for PR. Official background checks are standard. Prepare a complete PR application and submit it in person at the local immigration office. Staff can offer guidance. Once approved, your PR card confirms your new status. You now gain long-term stability and local rights. For citizenship, you need a few more years after PR. Usually it's at least 5 total years with PR status. Applicants for citizenship must pass a higher-level Czech language exam, typically at B1 proficiency or above. You'll also need to pass a civics knowledge exam, which covers Czech history, society, and constitutional basics. Citizenship requires submitting a fresh application, including extensive supporting documents and personal statements. During the process, you may attend an in-person interview to discuss your life, ties, and integration in the Czech Republic. If your application succeeds, you'll be granted Czech citizenship, opening the door to full EU citizen rights and freedoms. Your new chapter in the heart of Europe awaits. Ready to start your journey to EU citizenship?